the strongest natural painkiller that works like morphine that you can find in your backyard. Herbal remedies are used to treat illnesses and injuries for centuries. But due to the emergence of modern medicine, people forgot about the natural remedies that are readily around them. One good example is the black tuberose, or what is commonly known as wild lettuce. It is an effective painkiller that is found throughout England and North America. Benefits of wild lettuce. The herb is a natural remedy that acts as a painkiller and a sedative. It is recommended to plant the wild lettuce in the garden in order to get the benefits from it. Sedative. The wild lettuce is known as a powerful sedative that can help the body relax and fight insomnia. The herb can treat spasms and anxiety by calming the nervous system. It is also known to be good in relaxing the muscles of the body. It can be used to treat restlessness, stress-induced indigestion, spasms and cramps, coughs, and insomnia. Wild lettuce can be turned into a tea that can help treat the above-mentioned problems. Painkiller. Wild lettuce has been used as a painkiller for centuries. It can reduce the pain caused by menstrual cramps, muscle pains, and any other irritated tissues. It is also called as opium lettuce because of its numbing properties that are similar to that of opiates. However, wild lettuce doesn't have any dangerous or addictive side effects. That's why there's no harm in consuming the leaves to reduce pain. Antiseptic. In traditional Chinese medicine, wild lettuce is used as an antiseptic. It is applied on wounds to help make the healing process go faster. How to use wild lettuce. To use wild lettuce as a natural remedy, you need to first dry the leaves. It is recommended to harvest the leaves in July and August. Health shops also carry dried versions of the herb and supplements. Wild lettuce is a biennial plant, and it will have a different look based on the season. There are times when it will only have mature leaves and some instances where it has a yellow flower. It can grow up to 7 feet tall when untended. There are no studies made to determine the safe dosage of wild lettuce, but most people use around 2 to 4 milliliters tincture 3 times daily. Some people place 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves in boiling water and let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. They drink the tea 3 times a day. The skin can be irritated when it is applied directly. One should first do a small patch test before using wild lettuce as a topical remedy. It should not be used when pregnant, allergic to ragweed, going into surgery, have glaucoma, or enlarged prostate. Treat the body the natural way instead of relying on synthetic painkillers. You should first consider using natural remedies such as wild lettuce. Natural remedies enhance the healing process of the body. On the other hand, painkillers just treat the symptoms instead of the issues causing them. Plus, natural remedies often have no side effects, unlike painkillers. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.